happy whatever day you're watching this. For me, it's Friday. So on Tuesday, it is going to be our third round of challenges, and it is going to be, as we can see, categories. So in the advisory challenge proposal, when you click the categories link, this awesome website comes up, and when you get to the website, it gives you the letter. For those of you who've never played categories, it gives you the letter that the words have to start with. It already has a timer, and then it comes up with the categories that you have to brainstorm that start with that letter. It automatically defaults to 12 categories. You and your partner, advisory partner, can decide, do you want more or less rounds? And then if you change it to less rounds or more, you just click restart, and those categories either increase or decrease. And now we see the letter has changed. You can also re-roll if you want a different letter. And then once you hit play, the timer begins and it lists the categories. So whoever is presenting, we will need to have this screen up so both advisories can play. Now, while this screen is up, if we go to step 2 of the advisory challenge, both advisories have their own doc that students are playing in. And this document will only be seen during by both advisories when you share out. However, it is secret. You only want your advisories to see this Google Doc. When you open the Google Doc, you will need to make a copy. And what I've done is you'll be able to type in your advisory. So for this round, we are doing letter O. That was a 0. We're doing letter O, and then I have it for the default for number of categories. So my advisory would be looking at this screen. They would know it's letter O, and they would each get to, they can all go in the same document and type out companies. So Oreos is a company that starts with O. Orthotics, like the shoe, I didn't spell it right. Please don't judge me. Orthotics, I believe, is a company that starts with O. And then at the end of the timer, you will have a full list that your advisory has been able to type in, and then you'll share out as in both advisories. And if the other advisory also selected Oreo, you will then, I don't remember how to strike through. Please don't judge me, but I would rather model having to find it. Perfect. So you go to format text and then strike through, and you won't get those points. Then at the end of the round, however many points that you have, you can add up here, and then we can just do a first place gets 5 points, the second place advisory gets 3 points, just so that both advisories can win points this week. So again, the things that you as advisors need to prep for is just deciding, do we want to have 12 rounds? Do we want to have 5 rounds? The second piece is you each make your own game board reflecting how many categories you have, and then just making sure that your advisees are typing in this document at the start of gameplay. You will put in what letter they are brainstorming, and then whoever is sharing the screen, you want to make sure both advisories can see the screen, and then you'll share out, and you'll have to decide which advisor do you want to facilitate the share out, and then striking through, and then adding up your points. Again, first place advisory will get 5 points. Second place advisory will get 3 points, and then we will have those bonus points once again for backgrounds. It's going to be fun. Can't wait. Hope that this was easy to follow. If you have any questions, reach out.